Kuma gicigo-ini kia Rapogi kuria ngabana Obado aciareirwo, aikari aya marurunganite nginyagia mwena wa uriri. Ibandiko iria Makuite ire na maandiko ma kuhinyereria kurekererio kwa ngabana uyu makiuga ona wakorwo no mwikuiro kihoto giake gitibatie kwagararwo.
Even if he is detained, but the constitution is very clear that we recently promulgated that one should not stay over or more than 24 hours in a cell. And why is he being arrested on Fridays?
Makigiritanio kunyitwo kwa Obado na urugari wa kiuteti uria uratagota gicigo-ini kia Migori riri kwirigirirwo githurano kinini kia usenita marenda githurano giki kiambe kirugamio nginyagia thogothogo iria igie kunyitwo kwa Obado yambe ithire.
Maneno ni kama imeingia politics. Wawachi Obado kuruba akuje afanye kazi yake.
Obado is not a killer. So demands immediate release unconditionally. Arrest one famous blogger in Nyakwarokombo, protects Obado family members and his associates who are innocent. Medical attention to Obado while in police custody. Suspending by election until Obado will be out, even on bond or freely. Listening to requests from the accused, all accused. Let the relatives visit him so that they can know the way forward.
Gavana Obado umwe wa aria makoretwo makigwetwo horo-ini wigi gikuo gia Sharon Otieno arekereirio thutha wa kuhungwa mahuri-ini ma abitha a uthuthuria atanacoka goikio ngono ringi wa gatano kiumia githiru na kuhingirwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Gigiri kuria ari nginyagia riu agetererio gutwarwo igoti-ini na kuhingurirwo thitango igie kuuraga Sharon Otieno muthenya wa rucio. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.